Good morning. So we scheduled a cruise. We booked it on Thursday and it literally sells out on Sunday. So I'm gonna do like a little last minute quick routine. Well, it's not gonna be quick, it's probably gonna take me a few hours. But I wanted to show you guys how you can do your own like passion twists from home. So if you wanna know how to do that, keep watching. I've already sectioned my hair. So I finished the back. You can see the back. And then I've parted this piece and I'm going to be using just a little jam. And I'll show you how you can start it however you want. I started these with braids just because that's a little bit easier for my time. But I can also start it a different way. So I'm actually just going to do my front in a different style, but for the sake of just teaching you how to start it, I'm just going to do a front piece. So you want to separate it into 3 pieces. One, then you take your hair. So this has 5 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I do 2 and 3, and you want to grab them in the middle, and then you want to cross them over each other like this, and then hold them like this. And then whichever one has 3, you're going to put your pointer finger in the middle, this finger on top, and your thumb on the bottom, and you're going to hold it just like this. Okay, and then you're going to put this in my arm. You're going to attach it to your middle piece. Okay, then you're going to let go. Then you're going to attach the top piece to this one over here. Hold that tight. You're going to take this finger, go underneath, and then underneath this finger, and grab that. Now, if you don't know how to braid, I do have another video that will slow this down. And then you're just going to start braiding. And you see you have a knot. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, you can just braid down just a little bit. And then once you get far enough, you take this piece, and I like to go this way, and then I twist it. And I just keep going all the way down. And once you get towards the end, that's when you start sharing hair to make it not unravel. And this is how you share hair. So you just take a little piece from this one, and then you keep twisting and turning, twisting and turning. And you might take a little bit more. And this just keeps it from unraveling once you get to the end, because I don't use any rubber bands or anything. So this is how it turned out. So I decided to do like crisscross in the front, just because I kind of ran out of hair and I didn't want to go back to the store. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna like dip the ends in some warm water and then put some mousse on my roots. Hope this helps.